Got this crazy flame situation going on here. Like this, like, it's got dropped in coconut oil. So I don't know.
Maybe that has something to do with it. Penny.
Now it's probably not gonna do it. Now that I'm trying to video record it. And look at that, what's up with that? The ladder's down here.
That's a murder monster. That's a murder monster.
Look at that.
Oh.
I don't know if you
Oh.
can. You're ruining my video. I don't know if you can see where the lighter's at or not, but look where this flame's sitting. What the hell kind of magical shit's going on here? Look, what is this? See, and she put her hand under the flame, and it blocks the fuel from getting to it. Which that's where the fuel's coming from, is the lighter.
That it's letting you record.
That is just insanity. Look at that.
Yeah.
See, now you can clearly see the lighter and where the flame's at. See? Look.
Whoa, that is fucking weird. Oh. Oh.
Crazy trick lighter. Only $29.95. Call now.